Hey everybody, Jack Murphy here with a Motion 3 Technology quick tip. This is how to use a screenshot to, in this instance, help your grandma find the recycling bin and find a lost file. So here's how I get, or this is what the end product looks like right here, and I'm going to show you how I got there. We're going to learn a new keyboard shortcut this week for the screenshot, and that is 3 keys on the keyboard that we push at the same time. One is the Windows icon, the second one is our Shift icon, and the third one is the letter S. S is for screenshot. So here we go. Command Shift S at the same time, and magically my screen starts to dim. That's just to let me know that I can take my cursor and highlight the area that I want to be part of the screenshot. You'll see that it has copied to my clipboard, so I'm going to open up my favorite screenshot program, which is Microsoft Paint, and I'm going to left click inside the canvas. And I'm going to hit Control V. Control V is for paste, so I just pasted that onto the white part. And I'm going to go ahead and select a rectangle tool, and I'm going to choose the color white for this rectangle, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the recycling bin. I might also add some text, black, and I might do one more thing just to help grandma out, and that is go back to home right here, and I'm going to draw a little arrow. I'm going to do a left arrow, and I'm just going to take it from the text over to the recycling bin just to make sure that it's super easy for her. Obviously, the black doesn't work on the dark over there, so I'm going to find a new color, probably like a orange, perfect, just to make sure that that's easy and visible for grandma as well. And the last thing, I'm going to hit save, and I am going to hit save again, and I've saved this on my desktop, and now I can just grab this photo and throw it into an email and send it off to grandma, and she's got a very simple instruction on how to find lost things in her recycling bin. This has been your Motion 3 Technology quick tip from Jack. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Oh, you're still here? It's over. That's all I have today.